Hello everyone, welcome back to Photoshop Mini Guides. Without wasting much time, open the file you want to resize. Then you unlock the layer by clicking on the unlock icon. Then right click and select Convert to Smart Object. This allows us to resize, transform or apply filters without permanently changing the original data. Navigate to Image Size to open the resizing dialog. Okay, if you want to use a photo for the web, set the resolution to 72. But if you want to print the photo, set the resolution to 300. Make sure the images are linked. If you need a bigger image, then you increase the width. But in this tutorial, we're decreasing the size of the image. If you want to drastically change the size of the image, for example, more than a factor of 4, it is better to do it gradually. We'll be changing our image from 7500 to 750 pixels. That's a factor of 10, so we'll do it in steps, so as to maintain a better quality at the end. We will be changing the size by 50% at a time, which means our new weight will be 3750 pixels. Make sure resample is checked. If you were increasing the size of your image, then select Preserve Details 2.0. Since we are reducing our image size, we will select Bicubic Sharpener Reduction because it is optimized for image reduction. There's a link in the description to learn more about these options. Click OK when you are done. Because we decrease our width by only 50%, we have to decrease it again by 50%. Navigate back to image size. We only have to change the width to 3750 by 2, that is 1875, and click OK. We will continue decreasing or increasing the width until we reach our desired value. I will fast forward it and show you the final results. Okay, we are done, and this is the final result. As you can see, the quality is still very good. If the image quality is not so good for your liking, you can sharpen the image by navigating to Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. Play around with the amount, radius, and reduce noise values. You will see how your image changes in real time, and click OK when you are done. I will not be applying filters because I am OK with my results. To save the image, go to File, Export, Export As. Select your desired format and export. But if your format is not available, let's cancel. Go to File, Save As. Then select your file type from the drop down and save. In your modern menu, select according to your desire and click OK. Thank you for watching.